Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Battle.net account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Battle.net account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Battle.net over like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Battle.net login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the account.battle.net over here on the first result of Google. Click over there, and on the first tab we are on the home page of Battle.net. You can see all these games over here. Now to log into your Battle.net account from your home page of the Battle.net, you can see my account option available over here on the top right corner of your screen. Click over there and again click on login. Whereas on the second tab we are on the direct login page of Battle.net, because we had clicked on the direct login page from the Google, and you can see both of these websites are same. Let's close one of these. Now to log into your Battle.net account from your computer, you'll be required to enter your email or your phone number over here, and at that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Battle.net account. If you have not yet created a Battle.net account, you can see create a free Battle.net account from over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to register an account on Battle.net, or if you can't log in, you can see the simply can't log in button available over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to troubleshoot your errors with the sign in process. Or if you want to sign into your Battle.net account from your Facebook, Google or your Apple ID, you can see all these buttons available over here, and when I click on them, all these pages are opening to log into your Battle.net with your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and click on over here on the arrow icon. On the next step, you will be required to enter the password, and after entering your password, you will be logged into the Battle.net from your Apple ID. Similarly with the Google and the Facebook over here. Let's close these, and then guys, this is how you log into your Battle.net account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.